I need you, boo. I gotta see you, boo. And the hearts all over the world tonight. Said the hearts all over the world tonight. I need you, boo. Oh, I gotta see you, boo. And the hearts all over the world tonight. Said the hearts all over the world tonight. Hey, little mama, ooh, you're a stunner. Hot little figure, yes, you a winner.
All I'm trying to see is your credit card. Swipe it off on me. Give me what I want. I don't need to just see.
Okay, y'all. So, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. And right now, I'm gonna go get a SIM card for my new camera. And I know this is weird how I started the video off, but I don't have the camera yet, and I think it's gonna come in tomorrow because it says that the process center down here. So, hopefully, it comes tomorrow. And I'm gonna get a SIM card for y'all so y'all can see the quality, because I can't leave y'all left out. If I can find it. I don't even know where it is. We finna find a way though. They got so much stuff up in here. Why they got tripods for $40? It's crazy. Okay, I found some. 200. Why is the price so high in here? It's hot. Why is it so high? Let's see. Why is it so high? It's way higher than what I thought it would be. You know, I made my mom. Okay, y'all. So I found one. I was kind of scared because I was almost gonna pay $80. Whew. I'm so glad I didn't have to pay $80 just for. But I got the 128 gigabytes, so I'm so lucky. We are back, and it is February the 20th, and it's supposed to be coming today. So right now it's 10:19, and I'm probably about to go with my mama because she finna go do Amazon. So I'm probably gonna go with her. Okay, y'all, so let me show you how to fit. This is the fit today, so yeah, and my little purse and stuff. I'm gonna finish and look her back. Okay, y'all, we back, and it's 5:16, and my package came about an hour ago. It was actually 2 hours, but we out here still doing packages and stuff. But I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get to the house, and I'm gonna show you the camera because it's like literally outside the door. Y'all, after we finish doing these orders, we're gonna get fried crab, and we're gonna eat some seafood and just chill and open my camera, and I'm gonna get back with y'all later. I'm never too old for this, but who cares? Plus, my brother get my new blue outfit dirty. Even though I'm taking a shower when I get home. Still. You don't got your eggs? Okay, y'all, the queen's back home. And I got my package. I just got out the shower because I went from do all that after unboxing it. So I just got out the shower. This is the package right here. I'm recording on my iPad because I'm gonna have to use my phone to, like, you know, do the process and stuff like that. And then I'm trying to record on my phone for the TikTok. So I need to get in. I need something to hold my stuff. So that won't be so hard for me. A little weak. This is what it looks like, you guys. I'm so excited. This is what it looks like. Now we're about to open it. And this was $170 something. It was on sale. So make sure y'all tap in. Make sure y'all tap in. The extra edge. How do you open this? I'm gonna put the camera down for y'all. Okay. See the camera, guys. So the first thing they got is, this is the case and stuff for it. It smells good too. So we got this, and we got the thing. I'm gonna take it off for y'all so I can show y'all. Just the fact that I'm trying to record on my phone and the iPad is crazy. But this is the battery. This is that go on the wall. You can just stick this on the wall anywhere. Come with stickers. They come with a thing on the back. And then we got this that go with the tripod. Well, it goes on the tripod, so it hooks up on the camera afterwards. And we got this. Now, this is the camera, and this is the mount. And also, oh, I gotta put the battery in. I'm tripping. Looks like with my iPhone flash on, and I think it looks pretty good, y'all. Y'all has to stop sleeping on this camera. It was cheap. It is really affordable. If you can't afford, I ain't gonna say it like that, but it's affordable. If you can't afford it, just save up and get this camera. If you really wanted to start doing content, get this camera. It's a good camera. Currently 6:37 and I'm about to go. I gotta see where the bus at because my hair was taking too long to crimp, but I finally finished. I'm almost put it in my mouth. Let me put some stuff in my purse and then we'll be out the door. I think today we're gonna put on my New Balance shoes. We're gonna put this purse on because I'm in a rush. And we don't got no practice today. I'm so glad. I'm gonna get my ID. Oh, I put it in here already. He's on today. As y'all know, blue is my favorite color. And I never played by blue, so got to know that. And yep, y'all. We are off to school, and I will see y'all when I get. It is Tuesday, and y'all, I got me a new phone. It might be coming. Mama probably gonna pick it up today. I'm not sure, but we're gonna actually bring y'all with me to school because I was telling my photographer teacher that I got a camera off TikTok, so we're gonna show her what it is, and then I'm gonna see y'all when I get to school. When I go in advisory. Apple. Because I don't eat the skin. Okay.
We gonna want someone today?
Huh?
Y'all got someone today?
Us? No. We don't start practicing until like Wednesday. Intimacy.
Try this can. I had opened it last week. Sorry. Tell me what you think. Just one else.
You might want I'm not doing my
It tastes like medicine. See, look.
We should be working on our guidebook. I need 5 new annotations today. Oh, plug grade, got it.
What's that?
That's the only thing.
It's crazy.
Not for real. Everybody's up.
So I'm gonna do these with definition words and the sentences.
Yeah.
Any nigga say he won't touch you, they gon' evidence right there.
You said it yourself.
Evidence right there.
This all she do.
Say that, bro.
Eat.
Till you get the tattoo.
First of all, I've done my work from home.
And then she be saving oranges and apples and 4 block. This all she do is eat. She had like three breads of what's that stuff?
It was garlic bread.
Garlic bread at lunch.
It was good too. I hope they have some other day.
I doubt it. Jaden, say hey to my vlog. Y'all, that's my cousin. And this is my cousin too.
I'm her favorite cousin.
I mean, well, both of y'all my favorite.
Oh, okay. Your favorite on your mom's side, your favorite on your dad's side.
Okay, but that's like my best friend though.
Okay, your favorite on your mom's side and your favorite on your dad's side.
You got it.
It's okay, Steffi, y'all know my business.
I'm at lunch and this is what we got. It looks so. The spaghetti look nasty, but I'm about to eat the bread because the bread tastes good. And I got an outfit.
Like,
Look how I look up here. They're all lame. I hate the school. I am finna pay for my prom ticket today. I gotta get my phone because I'm using Apple Pay. I had left my card at home again. What's up, y'all? We back, and guess what I got? I got a new phone. I got the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and we're doing a trade, so I gotta get this back to the people. And I also got my case and my screen protector. Yeah, I gotta order me a tripod ASAP. But we're gonna wait. First, let me take a picture of it. I don't think I'm gonna do an unboxing video for y'all. I know y'all tired of me, you know. I know how y'all feel. This gonna be my last iPhone, so I'm gonna get back with y'all when I'm done, because I know y'all tired of seeing this. So psych, I lied. At first I was, but y'all, this is tea. Like, let me flip the camera. This is tea, and it's silver. It's tea. It's tea. It's tea. And they gave me a little charger. This phone is big. I never had a big phone before, but the first thing we're gonna do is put the screen protector on, and then I'm. This is a big phone compared to my 16. It's big. Now let me show y'all the case. Y'all already know what color it is. My favorite color. We have blue. Now let's put it on the phone. This is so cute. This phone is so big, y'all. Like, it's bigger than my hand. This is cute. This is the phone. It is really cute, and it's big. Like, it's big. And the quality good. Like, the type of quality this is like good quality. Like, the way my camera looks, this is how it looks. But I have like, kind of has like HD. This is a good camera. This is good. I like it. And it's real cute. Go to Fiery Crab and eat, and I'm off today, and I got paid today, and yeah, these are like 2-piece sets, and I'm gonna come back and show y'all how it looks on me when I get back home. Just got some shoes, and I gotta show y'all when I get home, and then we about to go to Walmart somewhere or something to get the stuff in my bed, because I want a new comforter set. So yeah. Let me show y'all the outfit. outfits. So it's basically 2-piece outfits like this, but they're just in different colors. I'll wear them one day whenever I get my hair done again. Cause right now my hair's not done. Now we in Costco's and we finna get a pillow. For my shoes. Hopefully we find some good pillows up in here for my bed. It's a new year and we're gonna have a good year. All 2026. We found a little bed set, but I'm not really getting mine from here, so yeah. They got the pillows right here. Pillows right here. You get these hard.
That's the one I got at the house. That's king size too.
I want something like this. I'll get these.
You gotta get 4.
Okay, I'll get 4. Okay. I saw that. End up getting this blue one right here because they didn't have no other blues that I wanted, but they don't have my size. Like they took them. They don't got no 8. Like and I don't even know. Wait, which size is this? I found the 8. Found the 8. And I'm about to try it on. Pinks. Look. Ooh. I think I should get them. I'm about to look in the mirror and see how they look. He's back home. Let me show y'all the shoes I got. I'm gonna show y'all the shoes I got from Walmart first. So I got these little shoes from Walmart. They are so cute. If y'all don't think these cute, then y'all some haters. These is cute. I don't care if they Skechers, baby. They still cute. Okay, so these are the Nike shoes I got. Bro, the pink ones looked so cute, but I end up getting these. Like, they're so cute. They're so cute. I was been supposed to get these, but these are so cute. These is like $170. So yeah,